Welcome back, everybody, to Retired Young Now What? Now, we have decided to take a little bit of a turn from our normal places of residence for the evening, and we decided to stop at this Airbnb that is just fantastic. It's at 3016 Hatchertop Road, and if you want more information, leave a comment. I'd be happy to leave a proper address, but this Airbnb is just super cute. All right, so there it is behind me, and I'm gonna take you on a quick tour. I don't take you guys on tours of everything that we do. After that Quality Inn, that abysmal Quality Inn, I'm doing a few more just to let you know that we do stay at good places. So, but there's a secret to this little cabin that I'll let you see at the end. It is fantastic. But here we go. We are on the deck. Now, you guys know me. I love nature. I love being outside. So this is where I'm going to be having my coffee in the morning and visiting. But check this out. On the back, there's a spa. I don't normally use spas. I don't keep one at my house, but yeah. And in the evening, look at this view. Look at this view. You sit in that spa and you get to see this incredible view. I tell you, I wish I had been to Tennessee much sooner. I just love this state. It is absolutely gorgeous. But if you want to sit, you get the rockers, right? Now we'll go inside. Little birds and stuff flying everywhere. We did see some fresh bear scat when we did the initial scouting out of the house. So, but it's Tennessee. Bears, like that's their thing, right? So we'll walk you in. I love this place. Look at this. Very rustic, nice big kitchen, great sitting area, very rustic, right? But look, it's all open. You get to see the outdoors. You have tons of windows, tons of light. I love it. That guy up there watching over you. Nice sized TV, fireplace. We haven't tried it yet. Not sure. Not sure. It looks like it's a gas fireplace. So a little ambiance. And then we walk back in, a little dining area here. There's a secret behind that door. We walk in, bathroom, very big size bathroom, and full size washer and dryer, which is one of the reasons we chose an Airbnb because we needed to do laundry. Come through here. There are two air conditioners. So if you're thinking, oh, it might be hot, it's a cabin, whatever. No, they have two full size, big, I don't know, regular residential sized air conditioners. One for one part of the house, one for another part of the house. And again, I'll show you. Look at this little bathroom here, right off the one bedroom. I don't know if I should call it a master or not. I guess it's a master because it has the full size shower and everything. But look at this shower, by the way. Look at that. I love that. The rock work, the tile, it looks so nice. Oh, I thought it would catch. Okay. Cleaning supplies, closet, whatever. If you make a mess, they give you a way to clean it up. I kind of like that. Uh, in a hotel, if you make a mess, you're just like, oh, sorry, and you leave a tip. But so in the bedroom, you have your own TV. The fans work just fine, everything like that. We don't need them on, so I didn't turn them on. But now we're gonna go upstairs. Look at this little sitting area up here. So if you are the master of the home, you know what? I should probably turn those on. I didn't even see those before. Doggone it. But look how cute this room is. Right? It's off on its own. I love this bed. Got its own windows. Now this one is a little different because it doesn't have a shower, but you have a bathroom. You're fine. We probably won't stay up here. We'll probably stay downstairs, but I do. And that bed is something else. I love it. All right, heading back downstairs. Well, I guess it's time. I don't normally open doors. We did read in the description that there's a surprise in this. So we opened the door, and here we go. Should I show you guys, or should I wait till I get down? I don't know. Maybe I should just wait till I get down. It is pretty neat. If you have a family and you're going to be in Tennessee near Pigeon Forge, this might be the place you want to stay. Ready for the reveal. We have 2 more beds downstairs. And then we have that nice little, it's almost like a video room, right? A media room, whatever, TV. But look at these. You get a pool table. You get a little wet bar right there. Dry bar? I think it's called a dry bar. And then you have actual arcade games that you can play. And this one has a bunch of different games. How cool is this place, right? And by the way, so showing you one shower, there's a whole other one down here too. So you get your whole family here. There you go. How great is this? And there's access out to outside from down here, by the way, and more natural light and everything like that. Boy, what a fantastic find we got. I am super excited about staying here tonight. I don't know. Let me know what you think, guys. Should we stay at more Airbnbs? I never occurred to me. I like the convenience of the hotels, but having laundry right here and a full kitchen, that's not too shabby. Yeah, this is a fantastic place. From Retired Young Now What, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and comment on this video, share it out. If you know somebody that's going near Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, I'd say we're probably about 20 minutes out, and it is a gated community, by the way. So you pull up, there's a guard shack that's staffed. Every time I see a bird. There's a guard shack that's staffed, and they control who comes in and out. Super friendly. Yeah, this is like, I could change my ways. Good morning. Rhonda and I stayed up way too late playing pool last night. We had a lot of fun. But I haven't played some of these games probably in decades. They haven't been around for decades. Well, there you go. I'm notoriously bad at these games. It is a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun staying here. We're super grateful for the Airbnb host that put this all together. We're paying for this. This is not sponsored in any way, just to let you know. But, I mean, what a fun Airbnb. What a blast. By the way, we played this last night as well. Frogger, Donkey Kong, and Pac-Man, and Miss Pac-Man. Oh, and there's a game called Ladybug. My wife flipped. Rhonda absolutely flipped when she saw Ladybug. I've never played it before. It's like a version of Pac-Man, basically, but with a ladybug. And you can flip doors and walls and stuff. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. This place is really great. I hope you guys have a chance to come over here and stay. So once again, from Retired Young Now What, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share if you know somebody that's going to Tennessee. We'll catch you on the next one.